Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepak Varshani and this video will show you what is Microsoft Office Picture Manager and how to download and install latest version of Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So first we will see what is Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Microsoft Picture Manager is a raster graphics or bitmap graphics editor. On 19th August 2003, Microsoft has introduced this picture editor to manage, edit, share and view your pictures from your computer. It becomes quite popular for its easy editing features, and by using the edit option in Microsoft Picture Manager, you can change its color, you can crop it, rotate the picture, flip it, increase its brightness, change its contrast, remove red eye and resize the picture. Microsoft Office Picture Manager comes with Microsoft Office or Microsoft SharePoint Designer. In 2003, Microsoft has discontinued further versions after Microsoft Office Picture Manager version number 14.0.2015.10. So, Microsoft Office Picture Manager 14 is the latest version. Microsoft Office Picture Manager has been developed only for Windows, so it can work only on the operating systems developed by Microsoft like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows Server 2003 and 2008. Microsoft Office Picture Manager does not work on Mac OS, Linux and Unix. Now let's see how to download and install latest version of Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So here we will see how to download and install Microsoft Office Picture Manager. This is Windows 10 and I am showing you on Windows 10. Now first of all you have to check your operating system type, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. To check your operating system type, you have to right click on your computer icon. So here right click and go to properties, and here in system type you can see 64-bit operating system. So now I have to download Microsoft Office Picture Manager for system type 64. You can find the link of Microsoft Office Picture Manager on my article. So this is the article and the link of this article is given in the description of this video, or you can find in the top comment of this video. So here you can see Microsoft Office Picture Manager 64-bit. So click on it. And choose your language. English is default language, so I will download. Select your location you want to download your file. So I will select desktop. Now here it is showing 279 MB. And it will take 4 to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. So downloading is completed. It took 4 minutes approximate to complete this downloading for me. Now I will go to desktop and here we can see this file. Now to install Microsoft Office Picture Manager, I will right click on this file and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Install now. The installation process will take 4 to 5 minutes depending on your configuration. So the installation process is complete. It took approximately 5 minutes for me to complete this process. So click on close and you can click on start menu and find your Microsoft Office Picture Manager, or you can search here and you can see Microsoft Office Picture Manager. So this is how you can download and install Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback or comment, you can drop it into below comment box, or you can read this article, and you can also contact me on my WhatsApp number here.